Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, mouse wheel scroll not working on Windows PC, fix it fast. Click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Change mouse scrolling settings. Click Additional mouse settings. Change wheel settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.